The brunt of my summer project is finally over. I took this from rotting off to painted, at least. I mean, what the fuck? Come on, I'm a cook. I'm not a carpenter, but a little bit of hard work and dedication has finally paid off because this shit took me probably a lot longer than it should have. There were some rainy days that I definitely was not getting up on the roof, but you know what? I stuck with it and I got all of this shit done. The house is looking so much better. It might be rotting on the inside, but it definitely doesn't look like it's rotting on the outside. I mean, you know, I love this suit too. I felt like a marshmallow, other than the fact that I was baking because it was 90 fucking degrees outside. I didn't have one piece of dry clothing on underneath that little fucking marshmallow suit. Let me tell you that. But this is looking so much better. I am so happy with this shit, guys. I mean, a fresh coat of paint, really, it'll lift your spirits if nothing else. The house finally looks good. Oh, the reveal, here we go, ripping this shit off. Look at that. Huh? It's not perfect. It's an old house, and like I said, I'm no carpenter. I'm a cook, but I still got to do the doors. But this looks so much better. I am so happy with this project, guys. I know it's been a long time, but it is finally done.